Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and we went from summer to winter in I think maybe 3 or 4 days. It's freezing outside, so I thought I would change it up a little bit. I just moved the angle of the chair so that we could have a little mood lighting, a little fire. And I'm going to show you some of my favorites today from Amazon. I'm going to do my top Amazon picks for you guys today. But first, I'll tell you about my outfit because everyone always asks about, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? So, in my last video, I was wearing my Paris shirt that 95% of the people that watch this see me in that probably every other day. I wear that Paris shirt constantly, but today I dressed up for you guys. It's amazing what a little bit of makeup and a cute outfit will do for your mood. Sometimes you're just like wah wah, and then you just put a little makeup on and makes you feel a whole lot better. So anyway, so here's my outfit. It is like a hoodie, super soft hoodie with a plaid blazer and some white jeans and black boots. Everything is from Target. The brand is A New Day. So I'm sure if you're Target shoppers, you know the brand A New Day. They have really cute stuff. So this is such a cute outfit to wear when you don't want to get like super dressed up, but you don't want to wear your sweats like I do all the time. It's just casual, it's chill, it's a good fall staple to have in your closet. A plaid jacket, it's huge right now, especially with just like a super casual hoodie, and you're good to go. This is like more sweater material than sweatshirt material, and it has like the kangaroo pocket. I think that's what it's called. If not, it should be. All right, so today, Amazon favorites. The first thing, I did not buy this off of Amazon, but it is available on Amazon. It is Oribe Restoring Spray. Now let me tell you the story about this and how I discovered it. Well, my sister discovered it, not me. We were in New Orleans and we, went out, and then we went to bed and woke up the next morning and my sister's hair was like, I said, what the heck? Were you visited by the hair fairy last night? Her hair was perfect. It had all of its curl in it. It looked beautiful. And she was like, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about this. It is the greatest thing ever. So she had sprayed it in her hair the night before, went to bed, did a little spray again, and all of her bounce and curl and beauty was back in her hair. This stuff is pricey, but well worth it. I did not use it today because I don't have any bounce in my hair. I just did it straight today. So this, I will link everything down below. I'm not sure how much it is, but if you know Oribe products, they are pretty pricey, but it smells delicious. I even use it on Beckham. Of course, because he's worth it. And the next thing is this Wow product. If you watch the Today Show, you know Hoda Kotb was raving about this maybe a year and a half ago, and she said she would never use anything else, and I am right there with her. I just recently bought this and it's almost out. I need to purchase another one or maybe 5. Because I am with her. I will never use anything else but this. It is amazing. You wash your hair, towel dry it, you get out of the shower, and then I brush it, and then I divide it into sections like this, and I'll just do this, and then I'll spray it with my hair wet, spray it, and then pick up another section, right, and then spray it, and then again, spray it. The main thing is divide your hair into sections so that you get it all sprayed, and then I spray it on the top, and then I brush through it again, and it is amazing. I mean, look how shiny my hair is, and it's super soft. I barely had to do anything to this. I blew it dry, and then I just lightly ran a straightening iron, is that what you call it, through my hair, and voila, it looks pretty good. So, and it's all rainy and gross out today, and still no frizz. It feels really soft, and I'm sorry I always touch my hair in these videos. I know it drives some of you crazy, but I am talking about a hair product, and I just wanted to show you. So anyway, those are the two products that I have that you need to buy ASAP for my hair. All right, the next products are, I'm going to be talking about them as well as putting up a screenshot of them above. So the first one is, let me pull them up on my phone. I put them all on my phone. Ziess lens wipes, and these are for glasses, your camera, your phone, binoculars. If you carry those around, I don't really know anyone who carries binoculars anymore, but they are great if you wear glasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, if you just need glasses on the daily basis. And mine always get gross and grimy from the oil on my hands, or my makeup gets on them. Rodney refuses to let me wear his glasses because he's like, you get this film on your glasses, that's disgusting. I don't know why. I guess it's my makeup, or maybe my lashes, because my lashes hit my glasses. And so these lens wipes, they come in little packages, and you can just throw them in your bag, and they're the perfect like cleanup, especially on your cell phone. Just wipe it on your phone and you're good to go. Sunglasses, eyeglasses, anything. Ziess lens wipes, and they come 200 to a box, and they are $14. So that is a really good buy. The next one, and this is such a genius product, you guys. I wish I would have thought about it. It is called wine wipes, and it is for when you drink red wine and you get that red wine gray teeth thing going on, and you wipe your teeth off with these. I mean, really, who thought of that? Because that is genius. They're called wine wipes, true wine wipes, and they're $13. So this is a definite purchase. If you're having a holiday party, a really great idea would be to get like a little basket and put these in the basket in your bathroom. So when the ladies or the men go to the restroom, they'll see these and they'll be like, oh, I need that. Look at my teeth. They're all gray or, you know, burgundy from the wine. So great little thing. Carry them in your purse, put them in your bathroom at your house, bring them with you to parties, stocking stuffers. All of these gifts make cute little stocking stuffers as well. The next thing is iSteam steamer. This is a portable, packable, travelable, something you travel with steamer that you just put in your suitcase, and you know, when you get wherever you are, you'll have some wrinkled clothes, and you get this out and you steam away. It is $31. Wait, did I tell you the wine? Yeah, $13 on the wine wipes and $31 on the steamer. So it's a great portable thing. I hate to iron clothes. I never iron clothes. I will put them in the dryer 3 more times on the refresh cycle, because I'm not going to iron. I'm just not going to do it. So yeah, that steamer, a great little buy. All right, another thing is Saviano Antifrizz Sheets for your hair. They are $18, and they come in little packages. For some reason, all these things come in little packages. Put them in your bag, put them in your purse, and if it's a rainy day, if you're having some sort of, you know, party to go to or something, and you notice your hair is a little bit, you know, like it's growing, then you just take the little sheet out of the package and you rub it on your hair, kind of like a dryer sheet, and it takes the frizz out. You know, little frizzies around here. I always get frizzies right around here. And you'll have nice, beautiful, smooth hair. So that's a really good buy. Anti-frizz sheets for your hair, $18. All right, another product is the Benefit Ooh La La Under Eye Brightening Cream. Now here's a little trick that I've learned from watching some makeup artists on YouTube. Y'all probably know this, but I just learned it recently. So when you put your foundation on, you should not put it underneath your eye. You should put a color that is a little bit lighter, not like white, but a little bit lighter underneath your eye to make your eyes pop and to give your face sort of definition, so it's not like all, you know, one color. So this brightening serum is just a little thing that you put underneath your eye to make your face pop. You can put a little on the corners of your eye, right in the Cupid's bow, and some people put on the tip of their nose if they have like a little button nose they want to enhance. Anything that you want to stand out on your face, give it a little shine. Fit Ooh La La Under Eye Brightening Cream, and it is $44. The next thing is the Amika Polish Perfecting Straightening Brush. And I know, great if you blow dry your hair and you don't want to, you know, do the straightening iron. You just rub this straightening comb through your hair and you're out the door. It's a great little stocking stuffer. It's a great gift if you have a teenage daughter who likes to wear her hair straight, like every single teenage girl that I know or see at school has long straight hair. So this would be a really good gift for them. All right, this is a really good gift for your son, or I guess your daughter could use them too, but I know boys are obsessed with having clean tennis shoes. They have to be white, they have to be clean, they have to look brand new, because all of these basketball players and everyone, they get new shoes every single day. They probably have boxes of brand new shoes, so now the kids think that they have to have shoes that look brand new, like they are getting new shoes every day. So this is called SneakERASERS Instant Sneaker Cleaning Sponges, and they come in a tube. You'll see the picture right here, and you take each one out and you clean your sneakers with it. This is a great fun little stocking stuffer for your son or your husband or yourself, even if you are obsessed with keeping your sneakers clean, which I'm not, but a lot of you are. All right, the next one is the Hollywood Double Stick Tape. This is a great thing for the upcoming holidays, because if you wear a sexy little top, I have a Zara wrap top that it has nothing. It's just like material that has no way to close. So it's super cute, but I'm cautious to wear it because, hello. So I got this double-sided tape, and you just put it, you know, a little bit on your skin and a little bit on the shirt, and you stick it together. Everyone in Hollywood does it. That's probably why they're called Hollywood double-sided tape. And it really does work. It keeps your tops closed, so you don't have to keep pulling at your outfit. If you have a party dress, or if you have, you know, little straps that you don't want to fall down, I don't know where else you might put them, but I'm sure if you had double-sided tape, there are a lot of things that you'd be like, oh, I'll use double-sided tape for that. Great little thing to have on hand. They come 3 to a pack, and they are $12, so that is a really good buy. All right, the next thing is a purse organizer. It eliminates messes and clutter in your bag. It's the Velcro Felt Tote Organizer, and it is $13. It has places for your phone, your wallet, your iPad, a water bottle, sunglasses, everything that you might want to put in your Louis Vuitton Neverfull or your Go Yard bag, or any bag that you travel with, a carry-on, and you like to be organized. You don't like to have to fumble through all of your stuff to find what you're looking for. It keeps your bag structured, and they come in tons and tons of different colors. So really cute little gift for someone who is looking to be more organized with their bags. Let's see, and that is it, my friends. Those are my top purchases for Amazon for the holidays, or whenever you need something from Amazon Prime. That is my video. I am going to make another one here, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. It is going to be a $100 outfit challenge. I see a lot of people on Facebook, there's Nashville, a lot of people on a lot of people on YouTube are doing these. They're being real conscious of prices lately, and it's just a great thing for the holidays, because you guys, you could get a really great outfit for not a whole lot of money. This is Nashville's tail I'm talking into. So I will do it maybe at Target, and I heard Walmart is really up their game. They have a lot of name brand items. They have a whole premium brand section. I haven't looked on their website. I never go into Walmart because, for one, the popcorn smell is so overwhelming when you walk in that place. It's kind of disgusting, but you never know. You just never know. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful week. And the holidays are right around the corner, so I will be busy on YouTube helping you guys out. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.